to Cecil B. the Hammer.
Following up in the halachot challah, the mitzvah of taking challah from a dough, now we are come to the most important thing, which is the measurement that the dough has to be that you make so that you can take from it challah. Now, for this measurement, there was a big controversy about exactly what it is. But from Rabbeinu Ovadia Yosef, he brings that there is, according to the Rambam, a certain measurement that it had been established through the coin that we call dirham. Now, the coin that we call dirham is a coin that was established for years, for over 1,000 years, its weight and its value itself. So therefore, they had to hold on to something that is consistent. So because before that, all the measurement that used to have, what our Chachamim used to see, like we mentioned, they see like you have the date, katamar, or you have got kazait, or you have got, measured like a pinky, or you have got the thumb, you got a tefach. All these things, with time, it became very difficult to measure the weight and so on according to this. So in the time of the Rishonim, they established, they tried to make sure to establish as possible the exact amount with other things that you can rely on, like the dirham. Now, how we come up with that? According to Rabbi Ovadia Yosef, Zichron Libracha, he says that how you measure, according to Rambam, it comes out that when you measure from the very beginning, you have to 43.2 eggs. That's the cab and a half. Cab and a half is 43.2 eggs. What are these 43.2 eggs? 14.2 come out at the very, and then it come out that it is 520 gram, 520 dirhams, 520 dirham, which is the coin exactly. And I was calculating exactly, seems to be according to the Rambam, really, that you calculate that 12% of the 12%, 43.2, you multiply by 12 because each egg is 12 dirham. And therefore, with that, calculated that it is 518.4. And, usually they round it up. They say 520 dirhams. And now 520 dirham, if every dirham is three, what is that? 3 grams, 3 grams. So in total would be 1,560. 1,560, that means 1 kilo, 560. That is exactly when you make a dough of that amount, you have to take the challah. If it is less than that, then you don't have to take even a challah at all. Okay, so that's the amount, and there is of course the Ben Ish Chai that it seems to be that he doesn't agree. It's even more. Also the Ashkenazim in a way, and they have even a bigger amount to be able to say the beracha over it. To leafrish challah min ha'esa. It has to be much bigger amount, but it seems to be that from the Rambam, according to Chacham Ovadia Yosef, it is only 1,560, which is like in a pound is like 3 pound 44 44 ounces. That what will be, and it is just that amount according to to Chacham Ovadia Yosef. So we will carry on,
So
and we will
ask
bring.
a question. So you're saying that you have to create at least 3.44 pounds of challah dough in order to be required to separate the challah.
That's right, and say the bracha.
And say the
Like
bracha.
that.
And how much do you separate at that point? How many ounces do you separate?
Separate a little bit. Today we are betumah, so therefore the minimum is practically anything.
Okay.
So that's why we take just a little bit from it. And we sell a fresh challah once you take it, which is that portion, and then that's it.
That's for the Kohanim?
Usually it's supposed to be when the time of Kedu, when they used to be tahor, which would be pure. What happening? We give a big portion of it. The same like maaser from all the other in challah. Also, you give 2.2. That's the portion. You like 60% out of it. 1 of 60. That at least to give to the Kohanim from the challah. So it was a good portion. That's what they would consume that themselves, betahara, in purity. But today is the tameh, so we completely just take a little bit. You burn it. If you cannot burn it, you just discard it, put it in a bag, double bag, and then that's it. Go to the garbage. That's what it is today.